In this class, we are going to learn one more feature in SQL Workshop, that is under the utilities Quick SQL. So in order to navigate to the Quick SQL, one method is you can go to the navigation toolbar at the top of this page, that is in the home screen. Other method is go to the SQL Workshop, click the utilities. From here, you can navigate to the Quick SQL. Using Quick SQL, we can generate SQL using the shorthand syntax. As the name suggests, using this Quick SQL, so developers can save a lot of time. Quick SQL is the shorthand syntax in order to write the complex DDL statements. Instead of writing the lot of SQL statements, that is in order to create the table, insert the sample records, create the triggers, primary key, constraint, so on and so forth, Oracle will take care of everything. So only thing is we have to write the markdown like syntax or the shorthand syntax here using the Quick SQL. On the left side, we have to write the syntax. Now, if you click on this help and go over to the samples, so if you had seen earlier, so we had this option that is to create the sample datasets, that is over here. You might be wondering on click of this install how Oracle was creating the tables, inserting the data, so on and so forth. It was with the help of this Quick SQL or the shorthand syntax. So this is what Apex supports. Now if we just click on this load model, that is for the department and employees. So here is the markdown like syntax, that is a short form where it says departments. We are inserting 4 records. So departments will have a name, location, country, and employees. So employees is again a table, or it's having the set of records. We are inserting 14 employees, and employees are having a name, email, cost center, date, and job. So these are the varchar 255 characters, number, email is in lower, and it is varchar 50, so and so forth. The data type is returned, and it will create a view, that is the employee view, which will have details of departments and employees. So on the left side, it is a shorthand syntax, or Oracle what it calls it as a Quick SQL. On the right side, it will create a departments table as it shown over here. It will have a ID, name, location, country, and the employees. Employee table is over here, and it is having the columns as it is mentioned over here. ID is nothing but it is a unique constraint. Automatically Oracle will add, and it will take care of creating the indexes, and it will create the triggers in order to insert the employees, so and so forth. And also it will insert the dummy records over here, and also there is a statement that is to create a view which will have the details of departments and the employee. Now here Oracle will insert the sample record, and it will commit the records. Just by writing this quick hand syntax, it will generate entire piece of code, and this will speed up the development work. Now we can just click on review and run. We can just click on this review and run. It will run in your database. So you can review. If you want to modify anything, you can modify. And if you want to download, you can just click on this, and you can give it as a script name over here. It will go over to the script editor. And suppose if you want to run, it will run. So like this, we can create a Quick SQL, and you can save it as a script, and then you can run or download the Quick SQL statements. Or in short, we can tell it has a shorthand syntax for speeding up the development work.